And good luck to you both. Alright, it's going to be a single box. 2014 Leaf Best of Baseballs. Heads up. Card Shark and 12th Man. Good luck to you both. We've got Card Shark with... well, no, you don't have that. Sorry. I'm tired. Let's do this. Good luck, guys. And we're going to go 8 times. 8 times, each of you getting conference. Good luck to you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8th and final on the names. 12th Man on top, Card Shark in the 2. And 8 on this one. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8th and final. Good luck, guys. NL going to 12th Man and AL going to Card Shark. 8 and 8. There you go, guys. Good luck in the break. You guys just want to jump into it? Probably not going to trade or anything, right? Jump in, let's do it. Alright, do you guys want to, which box you guys want to do? 1 or 2, front or back, or do you want to dice roll to figure out which box we're going with? Card Shark wants to do box 1. Box 1 it is. Alright, good luck, guys. Thanks again. Two cards, good luck. Hopefully they'll get split up so you each get something at least. '92 buyback is going to be Kevin Gross, 3 of 5, Dodgers, NL. It's going to be 12th Man. Kevin Gross, 3 of 5, stamped buyback. Gross. And next card goes this way. Good luck. What's up, Irv? Alright, good luck, fellas. Man, I was hoping the name wouldn't be at the bottom. I screwed up your slow roll. 10. 10 auto, 9. Addison Russell. 2012 Bowman Chrome Draft PP. Fixed Prospects. Autos, orange refractor. Nice. Orange Addison Russell. Card Shark with the AL. 2012 Bowman Chrome Draft pick. Autos, orange refractors. 9 with a 10 auto. You got 9 centering, 9-5 edges, 9 corners, and an 8-5 surface. Is on card at least. Addison. Orange refractor. 17 of 25. Alright, thanks again, guys. Hey, at least it got split up evenly. 1 for the NL, 1 for the AL. NL got the bigger one, of course, but thanks again, guys. PC Addison, nice, man.